So you want to buy a condominium in Thailand, but wondering, how? What do you need? Can you buy from abroad? Is it actually legal? Well, make sure to watch the entire video so you don't make any mistakes. There are a few restrictions on foreigners buying condos in Thailand, but it is in fact legal. However, there is a catch. Some of the easier requirements include that the buyer must be over 18 years old and have a valid passport. If you've got those, then we can move on to the most vital step, which is ensuring the condo you've got your eye on is registered under the Thai government's Condominium Act. This simple check with the land office, which I will link down below, can save you from potential pitfalls. You'll want to avoid condos for sale that are unregistered or have not been approved in compliance with the Condominium Act. Then the next step would then be to check in with the developer if the condominium allows foreign ownership, especially if it's brand new. Foreigners are only permitted to possess 49% of the rooms in a single condominium development. 51% of the condominium building that is for sale must be owned by Thai citizens. You can easily check this by contacting the responsible juristic at the developer's office. Keep in mind that if it is a first-hand buy or a brand new condo, you're buying directly from the project developer and so can check with them. But if it's a second-hand buy, meaning a unit that's being resold, you can check with the building's juristic office. Now let's shed some light on the all-important FET form. This form, previously known as Thor 3, plays a crucial role in registering ownership in the land department. Under BOI banking laws, should an authorized financial institution in Thailand have to deal with foreign currency exchanges of more than 50,000 US dollars, an FET form must be filled out, and the Bank of Thailand must be notified of the transaction. This form should clearly indicate the individual's involvement as either a recipient or sender of foreign currency. It serves as the essential document, providing proof of the foreign buyer's compliance with the regulations outlined in Section 19 of the Condominium Act. Now listen closely. All payments for any condo for sale in Bangkok that you purchase must be transferred to Thailand in the original currency of your foreign country. You must pay with foreign currency. Let me say that again. It is a requirement that the purchase of the condo involves the transfer of funds from abroad to Thailand. That is, it should be from your foreign country account and converted to Thai baht. Why? Because a foreigner will not be able to register a condo in their name unless they have proof of this. Also, don't forget about transfer taxes. Anyone who buys or sells a condo or simply real estate in Thailand must pay a number of taxes. We've got a specific video on the taxes involved for ownership registration linked in the description. Once the deed is transferred, the land department will collect these taxes. Keep in mind that Thai law prohibits foreigners from financing a condo for their partner and then claiming ownership of the building. If you try to purchase a condo under the name of a Thai partner, the condo will basically be theirs. Any money you give to them will be considered by the law as a gift. Unless you are absolutely certain of your trust and connection with the individual, this is not recommended. It is also critical to make sure you're buying a condo unit from a proper developer. It's best to buy condos from reputable developers. The best way to make sure of this is to look for development companies that are on the stock market of Thailand and are publicly traded. Buying a condo from abroad. Is it possible? Yes, but in order to do so whilst residing abroad, you must hire a lawyer to whom you'll need to grant power of attorney to sign the contract, as well as transfer the property on your behalf. You do not need to come in person to complete the deal. If you're interested in buying a condo from abroad, please contact us for more details as we provide this service for free. We can walk you through the safety procedures and address any other questions you have. Now there's one last important step, but if you found this video helpful so far, all I ask in return is that you give this video a quick thumbs up so you can help other people who need this information see it too. The last step would be to check your own eligibility, which you can watch in this video here.